guys, how's it going? Today we've got a really cool horn to look at. Now, this is going to be the first single chime that I've put on the channel. So, this is a MKT Wabco E2. This horn is really cool. One of my favorite single chimes I have, just honestly because of the paint. And I think the Wabco horns are pretty cool. But anyway, this horn, I'll turn it sideways. This horn is aluminum here, cast iron on the power chamber. So with this style horn with the aluminum bell and the cast iron power chamber, that's going to be 1951 to like 1963. Some point, you know, in that time frame is when this horn was built or manufactured. I really don't know how to narrow it down any more than that. I know before 51, from other sources, I have the bell with the cast iron also. I actually have a cast iron bell right here. So as you can see, it's all rusted up. But this is a cast iron bell, and if this horn didn't have good paint, I'd probably swap it out to have all full cast iron, but that's all right. This one's pretty rough anyway. But anyway, that is that. So XMKT, I don't have proof of that, but the paint pretty much it points towards MKT. I've done quite a bit of research on it. I've talked to quite a few other collectors and people, and everybody seems to agree MKT is what this is. So that's what we're gonna go with. Anyway, good sounding horn. It sounds really good. It sounds almost identical. Well, I say almost. It sounds identical to a Leslie A200. I mean, I've got an A200, and I'm gonna actually do a horn battle comparison video between this E2 and the A200, and you cannot tell which is which. It's interesting because this horn is built so much different than a A200. So anyway, pretty cool. But anyway, this is what the back of the E2 looks like. It does have a screw-in back cap like an A200, like a Nathan M horn does. It has all these little tabs that stick out, and you get them, you crank them down. It does have like a retainer clip here. It bolts in, and it just fits in between these teeth, keeps it from spinning. So anyway, these are really bad about seizing up, especially being cast iron. They can rust and get really bound up. So they're hard horns to work on if they've been sitting for a long time in inappropriate conditions. But anyway, I've also got, let me grab this real quick. I also have a spare E2 diaphragm. So this is a spare, it's a little dusty, but they're stainless steel, and they are made up of a bunch of little different clapper discs. I think it's like, I'd have to count them, it's like 14 or something like that. But anyway, it's got a bunch of little discs, and they all bolt together. So this is what a diaphragm looks like, and these are like impossible to find apparently. So I was pretty lucky to get a hold of one of them, so I've got a spare if I ever need it. But anyway, that is the E2. Really cool horn. Y'all enjoy this run by. This is the XMKT Wabco E2. All